Hi children, this is your ANR sir. Today I have come up with a new lesson on chapter exponents and powers. On the chapter exponents and powers for class 8th students. For class 8th students. So your first exercise 4.1 first sum reads like this: simplify 4 to the power of minus 3, and you have to give the regions also. So the first sum is you have to simplify 4 to the power of minus 3. 4 to the power of minus 3. Yesterday we read some laws of exponents. Yesterday we learnt some laws of exponents. So let me remind you one of such laws. What is it? A to the power of minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power of m. What is that law? A to the power of minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power of m. So now your given first sum is in the form of a to the power of minus m. In place of a you have 4. In place of m you have 3. So with the help of this formula, let us write 4 to the power of minus 3 can be written as 1 by 4 cube. 1 by 4 cube. What is 1 by 4 cube? 4 into 4 into 4, 3 times. 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4 ja 16. 16 4 ja 64. So, when you simplify 4 to the power of minus 3, you get 1 by 64. You get 1 by 64. Clear? So now let us take the second sum. Minus 2 to the power of 7. Minus 2 to the power of 7. What is the meaning of this? The meaning of this is you should take minus 2 7 times and you should multiply. Clear? What is the meaning of minus 2 whole to the power of 7? Minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. Like this, you should write 7 times and you should multiply. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. So this also let us multiply 8. 8 8 is 64. 64 into 2. 64 into 2. So you get 128. And what about the sign? How many minus are there? 7. If it is even, then plus. If it is odd, minus. So if you have even number of minus signs, and if you multiply, you get plus sign. And if you have odd number of minus signs and multiply, you get minus. So minus 2 to the power of 7 is equal to minus 128. What I did, I have taken 2 7 times and multiplied. I have taken 2 7 times and multiplied. Sign also I multiplied. I got minus 128. So now let us take the third one, C. 3 by 4 whole to the power of minus 3. 3 by 4 whole to the power of minus 3. Clear? So let A is equal to 3 by 4. So what you get? A to the power of minus 3 you get. A to the power of minus 3 is equal to what? 1 by A cube. 1 by A cube. Now in place of A, replace by 3 by 4. So what you get? 1 by 3 by 4 whole cube. Clear? So 3 by 4 whole cube means what? 3 into 3 into 3 by 4 into 4 into 4. This is equal to 1 divided by 3 into 3, 9. 9 3 is 27 by 4 4 is 16. 16 4 is 64. 1 divided by 27 by 64. So if you change this divide by into multiplication, what you get? 64 by 27. So the value of 3 by 4 whole to the power of minus 3 is equal to how much you got? 64 by 27. I think you understood how to simplify if this type of a question is given. So now let us do the second one. 1 by 2 to the power of 4 into 1 by 2 to the power of 5 is equal to 1 by 2 to the power of 6. Listen, here your base is same. Here base is same. 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Base is same. So you have one law of exponents. What is that? A to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. A to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. That means if base is same and you have multiplication sign, then what you need to do? You should add the exponents. So here, what is base? 1 by 2. What are the exponents? 4 plus 5 plus 6. 4 plus 5 plus 6. So 1 by 2 to the power of 9. 9 plus 6, 15. When you simplify 1 by 2 to the power of 4 into 1 by 2 to the power of 5 into 1 by 2 to the power of 6, what you get? 1 by 2 to the power of 15 you get. 1 by 2 to the power of 15 you get. So let us do some other examples. So this one, minus 2 to the power of 7 into minus 2 to the power of 3 into minus 2 to the power of 4. same. Here bases are same and you have multiplication sign. Bases are same and you have multiplication sign. So what you need to do? You need to add the powers. What is that law? A to the power of n into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. Clear? So now, here what is your base? Minus 2 to the power of 7 plus 3 plus 4. So, minus 2 to the power of 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. So, if you simplify minus 2 to the power of 7 into minus 2 to the power of 3 into minus 2 to the power of 4, what you get? Minus 2 to the power of 14. Clear? So now let us do one more. 2 square into 3 square by 2 to the power of minus 2 into 3 to the power of minus 1. Clear? So what you have, first of all, let us try to remove this minus sign from the exponent. You have one law. What is that? A to the power of minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power of m. So 2 to the power of minus 2 is equal to 1 by 2 square. 2 to the power of minus 2, 2 to the power of minus 2 is equal to 1 by 2 square. In the same way, 3 to the power of minus 1 is equal to 1 by 3. So let us replace these things. 2 square into 3 square. Here in the denominator you have 1 by 2 square. In the denominator you have 1 by 2 square. That means divided by 1 by 2 square into what is 3 to the power of minus 1? 1 by 3. Let us change this divide by into multiplication. 2 square into 3 square into 2 square into 1 by 3. This 3 and this power cancels. So 2 square into 2 square. You have to add the powers. 2 to the power of 4. And here into 3. What is 2 to the power of 4? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, like that. You have to write 4 times. Like that you have to write 4 times. You have to write 4 times. So write 4 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 to the 4. 4 to the 8. 8 to the 16. 16 3 to 48. So if you simplify 2 square into 3 square by 2 to the power of minus 2 into 3 to the power of minus 1, you get 48. So here you have one more problem. 4 to the power of minus 1 into 3 to the power of minus 1. Same. What? A to the power of minus m is equal to 1 by am, a to the power of m. So like that let us write 1 by 4 into 1 by 3 divided by 1 by 6. Let us change this divided by sign into multiplication. 1 by 4 into 1 by 3 into 6. 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. So what is the answer? 1 by 2. What is the answer? 1 by 2. So, if you simplify 4 to the power of minus 1 into 3 to the power of minus 1 divided by 6 to the power of minus 1, what you get? You get 1 by 2. Clear, understood? So again tomorrow I come up with some new problems. Till then, have a nice day and thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this video.